man? It's your boy Young Rich 419 back with another video, man. Hey, man, it's early morning. We are in, can y'all tell? Big C, man. We in Big C right now, man. You feel me? But anyway, we slide. About to get this oil change for the 300, man. We are currently at 17,000 miles, man. You feel me? Has been a great last 11,000, 10,000 miles on this motherfucker, man. So I ain't complaining. This is perfect, man. I'm enjoying it. So basically, we got about basically in a year, put 11,000 miles on it because the year's coming up. Probably another about 12, 13 more days. So yeah, man. So put about 12, 13,000 miles on it. So it is what it is, man. But we got these oil change right quick. Gonna pull up to that spot. Also got a big snowstorm coming today, probably after 3 or 4 o'clock. And yes, I'm driving this motherfucker, man. You hear me? Driving in, not necessarily I'm driving in the snowstorm, but I'm driving this motherfucker every day. You know what I'm saying? We got the Malibu too. That's an everyday car. No, the Rango has not been driven in nowhere in the top, man. Unless I really have to or shit like that. I still got to take the wheels off that motherfucker too, though. But nah, man. But we pushing the 300, man. This is I bought this to be driven. Now, once this motherfucker get like 50, 60,000 miles, that's when I'm gonna park this motherfucker. It's only be driving on the weekends. But right now, got a warranty. I bought my aftermarket, not the aftermarket warranty. I bought the extended warranty through Chrysler on this motherfucker too. So yeah, man. I'm not really worried about nothing. We're gonna drive this motherfucker. Like I said, we're gonna park it when it get about 50, 60,000 miles, man. So this car is fucking off right now. God damn. Let me hit it though. Big C, you feel me? But yeah, man, we sliding by the head of this oil change spot. We gotta pick up some Lucas first stabilizer. You know what I mean? Because I didn't put that in my last oil change, so we're gonna get the Lucas stabilizer put in this because you gotta protect the cold starts, man. You gotta protect the cold starts, man. Everybody know the Hemi tick. Most of the Hemi tick come from the fuel injectors making so much noise, but also you want to protect the cold starts, man. Especially when you live in these cold climates, man. You want to make sure everything lubricated. So yeah, man, I'm about to pull up in this AutoZone, cop the Lucas, and then we gonna pull up to the oil change spot. All right, man, we are at the AutoZone. The new AutoZone that they not built but moved into. I wonder if they still got the one around the corner that's literally probably like fucking 2 blocks or 3 blocks, about 3 or 4, 5 blocks away. I'm gonna check that out later on, man. I'm gonna pull up here, park it. Hold on, let me swing this bit right quick. Slab up, get this shit. All right, YouTube, we back. I just got the Lucas, man. Let y'all see this right here, man. Got the Lucas, man. This help with cold starts, man. Dry starts, man. Trust me, it works. All right, do your research, real research. It works. I'm with the Rango. Sound good. It's with the Magnum, which I have since 26,000 miles. I got like 102,000 miles on. I bought that mother purling like a kitten. You feel me? Trust me, works. Put it in every car, man. Trust me. Anyway, let me talk to y'all about this right quick. So, remember back in the day when I talked about, remember I fucked my car up at the dealership and shit? You know what I mean? And I always said before that, the dude who actually kind of like put this car together, he had 20 by 11s on here. That's what he said in his video. So I know if you had 20 by 11s, you should know it because you bought it. You paid for it, right? You know what I'm saying? So when I got this car fixed at the dealership, they bought all new wheels except the driver's side front. But they only put the 20 and a half, not 20, the 10 and a halves back on. I told them it was 20 by 11s. They told me it was 10 and a halves, which I know it couldn't be 10 and a halves. Could he fucked up? Could the dude messed up and said it in the video? I don't know. You know what I'm saying? But I noticed something though. I was rewatching my old videos recently. The wheels in the back stick out so much. I ain't gonna say so much further, but a lot further than what they are right now. So I may put two pictures up. I'm gonna put a picture up right now before I bought it. I'm about to put a picture up right now how I look right now. And I know for some reason they didn't put these 10 and a halves back on. You give me them 11s back on. Maybe they thought because they thought it wouldn't fit. Maybe I don't know why. But looking at my old pictures, man, I swear to God, this car had a fatter back stance. And it still got a great stance, but the stance is more crazier, man. So let me show y'all. Let me just make a video, show y'all a video real quick. I don't know, man, between y'all, man. I had a wider stance. We can go on this side, there's smoke coming this way. I feel like the stance is wider, man. I feel like the rims came out a little bit more, man. I don't know, man. So this is what I'm gonna do, man. Next year, I could do it now, but for what? There's no point. I'm putting the 20 by 11s back on. I'm buying them. You're gonna get that look back. And I understand when you probably typing in for your car, especially if you got don't have a wide body, typing in for your car, man, and they gonna say they don't fit. But they fit. They fit perfect. They look good. But anyway, that's all I gotta say about that. We about to slide to this oil change spot right quick. And that's that. Y'all want me to drive? So I'll be going to drive. It ain't that far. Probably like a minute up the street right quick. This charger right here looking good. See if I can zoom in. Looking nasty. You feel me? Ooh, this motherfucker sound good. Hope y'all can hear it real well. But yeah, man, me putting them 20 by 11s back on, man.
No, you're not.
Putting them 20 by 11s.
Yeah, no, you're not. No, you're not. Stop.
I wish I would have grabbed the rim and took the rim, man. I think they was, for some dumb reason, I don't know, they went by specs wise on the internet. I think that's probably what they did, went by specs on the internet instead of just putting back on what the fuck I had on the car, or that was originally came with the car. But anyway, but it's the last day. It's gonna be probably quite a little long video. I'm making, if not, I'm gonna split it into two videos. But snowstorm coming today. We're gonna try to push a couple cars today before the snowstorm come, man. You feel me? So yeah, man. Because I'm pretty sure the Magna Revere definitely ain't about to see. It's not about to see no. About to see no driving time probably in the next few months, especially if it doesn't rain again. Oh man, my bad. I know it's beeping and shit, but yeah, they ain't about to get no driving time. So I gotta get the last of the driving time in. You know what I mean? Make sure I got gas in both of them, cause just in case I can't drive it no more. I ain't say I can't, but I don't want to drive it no more. got salt on the roads. Yeah, we here, man. So we at Valvoline, and I hope it's open over here, bro. Look at that, he pointing and shit. And I hope it's open, because it's only one bay open. Pissed. Then I gotta wait behind this motherfucker right here. Alright, man, we're gonna turn it back on while I'm pulling in. Alright, man, we in here right now. I forgot to record because it only took so long. I think I was probably sitting here for like 25, 30 minutes. Low on employees. Man, we're doing it right now. Yep, getting it done. Put the Lucas in and you're straight, man. But yeah, I forgot to record. I've been sitting outside for like fucking 30, 40 minutes, man. So yeah. Alright, we're gonna get another clip rolling out. And then you see what else this video has to offer. Alright, man, we leaving. Fucking been here. Damn, I feel like I've been here an hour. I think I have been here damn near an hour. Probably like 45 minutes for a fucking oil change, because these motherfuckers behind. But yeah, man, got the oil change done. Next oil change due, which I probably end up going 4,000 miles though. But besides that, ooh, that's a clean ass motherfucker. That's 580. That's clean. Ugh. Alright, man, I gotta go. Since it's taking all this damn time now, I actually could go pick up some stuff right quick. Let's get on the highway. Let's see if we can run this right quick, you know what I mean? You back up right quick. Back up right quick. Alright, man, so I don't know what's coming next, but we'll see. I don't know if I'm gonna end this video or not, or next clip.